Shortcuts Live allows you to import your client data, saving you time and reducing the risk of losing valuable client information. In this lesson, you'll learn how to import client data into your Shortcuts Live. From Tools, select Client Import. You can export a blank template by clicking Export Template. Open the template to view the layout of the columns. It's important that the file that you import into your Shortcuts Live has the same column layout as this template. Otherwise, it will cause an error when you attempt to import it. To import the template, click Choose File. Select the CSV file from your computer that you want to import. Then click Open. Once your file has been imported, you will see a preview of the data. Use the arrows to see more data in other columns and return. By scrolling down to the bottom of the preview, you can see whether there are any errors in the data you have imported. If you click Continue, you will again see the error list and a warning. To rectify the errors, you will need to return to the CSV file, correct it, and import it again. However, if you want to continue with the import regardless of any errors, click Import Clients. This will simply omit any fields where an error was reported, allowing you to manually rectify them later in Shortcuts Live. In this lesson, you've learned how to import client data into your Shortcuts Live.